We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And the stock has had a huge pullback, but it wasn't the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market and the SPY pulled downwards, and our SPY bot this morning at 11:05 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource and join the members, maximizing within the volatility in either direction. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot and QQQ bot. So here we are with Bbig pulling downwards as I stated, and we're going to talk about some key levels here within the resistance and support levels, as well as what I talked about in yesterday's video based off 42 vision. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned. Both of them turned out to be a home run. And this is how they reacted in the pre-market going towards the bell. So the first one here is DRCT. We got this one a little bit below $4. Quickly started to pick up momentum, right? Under a bull indicator, full strength on 42 vision towards the bell and ran 30% plus right after it. Then it pulled back down, got that bear indicator, went into further weakness. And once things reversed and went into strength, also that bull indicator right there, consolidation, went for a second highest point of 30% plus. So it had two runs and two opportunities of 30% plus, guys. Then we caught here an AOV as it was pulling downwards under a bear indicator and towards the bell, popped up about a 10 to 15% plus move, then pulled back down, got that full strength and transition here on 42 vision plus that bull indicator, and gave a highest point of 25% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And for most of the day, it was pulling downwards. As I stated earlier in the video, it's been pulling downwards and we have some key levels to talk about. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, and receiving the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it to have that edge within the volatility of the charts. So Bbig stock has shifted from a bull indicator to a bear indicator. This has been canceled out. I talked about how important it was to watch for this and how on Ultimate 42 Vision, it went from white with red borders to green. And then we had to see if this was going to shift to dark green with red borders, then red, and a possible bear indicator. I talked about this yesterday when it was going up in this direction into the aftermarket hours, and the reason being is because the complete shift has happened, right? Once it goes from white with red borders, which is the dip area, and I've pointed this out in different videos. Down here's the dip area, rip area, dip area, rip area, dip area, rip area, and then the full transition back down. Some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others. Well, we just got a dip area and rip, and then eventually we could see things cool off. But this is why it's so important to look at the technical analysis and look at the larger time frames to know if this volatility is pure weakness, or could it be a setup for the next bull run if things are going to hold strong within the volatility? So we are seeing this actually pull back right now at these current levels pretty quickly, and it's holding up within the move, but 42 vision did a full transition, and this bull indicator is now canceled out by this bear indicator. So let me pull up the 4-hour here so you could see the bigger picture. So it's been under a bull indicator since 217, full strength, consolidation, and during these dates right here, I stated if no bear indicator popped up, this could be the setup for the next bull run, and it's been playing out, and this bull indicator has been dominating the chart on the 4-hour, right? So now let's go ahead and look at the 1 day here, and you could see that things have been pretty strong as well, right? You have this slight dip right here, pullback, set up for the next bull run, and for the last 2 days, there's been pure strength, continuation of strength, and this bull indicator since way down here at the 230s that canceled out this bear indicator way up here from the 428 range. So things have been reversing with strength, and it has not complete a full transition, right? After dark green, if this continues, it will be a larger wick bar, and it would be bright green as you see here as previously in the chart. I'm not stating it's going to directly continue in that direction or do the same effect, but you would see a bright green bar larger than the previous ones and continuation to the upside based off the 1 day if there's further strength and this breaks through resistance levels, right? So let's go back to the volatility here on the 30 minutes. So when you look at it, it's actually had a strong move since the 15th consolidation area and took off to newer heights here that we had not seen in weeks and months, right? So when we look at it, we want to see this break above the recent highs, and the recent high of the day was 346, and in the pre-market / aftermarket hours 347, right? So we want to see this get back up there and break above 350 to then talk about the 390s and $4. I've stated in my previous videos why BBIG stock had a hard time breaking out above $4 and staying above $3, and it's because a lot of investors had that average price or averaged their way down to that price, and as soon as they broke even or were seeing a slight profit, they were closing out their positions to move on to another opportunity, because a lot of investors have not been in this stock just right here in January, if not since way back here, right? When the whole Tyde and everything was announced, and things have bottomed, gone back up, and you can see within the history of the chart, there's been a lot of opportunities within each bull and bear indicator of strength when things started to move fairly quickly, guys. Way back here in January, all of the month of February, all throughout March on the way down, and then here we are bouncing back up after these recent lows in the 2s, and here we are struggling to stay above $3, and the closer we get to 4, there's always a rejection. Because of that, there's always going to be more sellers than buyers at this level until this stock breaks above $4. I think $4 is a huge resistance wall, or whatever it is you want to refer to it, that is making things reject back down. And the history of the chart shows it for a couple weeks and months here. And here we are going through the same thing again. So definitely keep that in mind. So to the upside, again, 350s, then we can start talking about higher levels. To the downside, the most recent low is 310. Below that, we can start talking about way down here at 294. But before looking at that level, I would look at $3 to see what's going on within that area and if the bulls can bounce back up. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator to receive that edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize in either direction, getting connected to the SpyBot, QQQ bot, 42 vision indicators, and join the members receiving this edge and resource as well to maximize within the charts volatility, and you can now obtain this as well. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make